Good regenerating sleep is something that is most valuable for your health and well-being. Therefore, please stay wide awake when the choice of your bed is at stake. A Hüsler-Nest guarantees that you will always lie comfortably without painful pressure points. This can sustain your health and vitality and give you the strength to meet your daily challenges. The metal-free natural solid wood inlaid frame consists of two elements, which are joined together with a band. Wood from the same tree trunk can contain up to 40% difference in firmness. Therefore, the woods are mixed and then glued in multiple layers, forming blocks, which are then cut in pairs to form thick and thin Trimmel slats. The Liformer spring element is the heart of the Hüsler-Nest. Latex supports and a base support of thick and thin Trimmel slats endows the spring element with the necessary stability and the advantage of individual adaptation. 4 smaller latex strips and the top layer of thin Trimmel slats give the spring element the fine adjustments necessary to ensure an exceptionally comfortable sleeping position. The exceptional elasticity of the natural latex mattress with a washable cotton cover ideally supports the unparalleled ergonomic properties of the spring element. The topper of 100% sheep wool ensures a dry and warm bed climate. It is separate from the mattress, so it can be easily aired and cared for and gives a unique nested feeling. The Hüsler-Nest can be installed into almost any bed frame. For this, 2 wooden rails are mounted on the inside of the bed frame, into the middle of the double bed where the middle support is suspended, and the holder of the middle support is fitted. The bed is now ready to install. First comes the inlaid frame. On top of that, the 2 Liformer spring elements. And on top of that, the latex mattress. And finally, the wool topper. With the pillow and duvet, the Hüsler-Nest invites you to have a good night's sleep. The spine is the central supporting system of the body. It not only ensures an upright posture, it also allows movements such as turning, bending, and stretching. Between each spinal vertebra, there lies a vertebral disc, which are the flexible element of the spine. Through daily use, the discs gradually lose fluids and become flatter. For that reason, in the evening, a person is up to 2 centimeters shorter than in the morning. During sleep, the spinal discs regenerate and, when in an optimal position, take up fluids again. When lying on a too hard surface, the spine becomes hunched, and on a too soft surface, the vertebrae hang too low. In these cases, regeneration is only partly successful. This leads inevitably to back problems. If this condition is maintained over several years, lasting, painful back injury can result. It is much better not to let things get so far. In a Hüsler-Nest, your choice is always right. During sleep, the body can change positions up to 60 times. The Hüsler-Nest adapts to the new body position in fractions of a second and thereby increases sleep quality. So that in the morning, sleepers in a Hüsler-Nest simply feel more relaxed and fresher. You always lie correctly in a Hüsler-Nest, whether in the middle or at the edge. It is a known fact that a good sleep reflects positively on a person's well-being. Heavy as well as light people lie equally comfortably on a Hüsler-Nest. The more weight coming from above, the more support is generated from below. The spine is thereby optimally supported. Through the clever construction of the Hüsler-Nest, individual adjustment can be made at any time. By replacing the thick Trimmel slats with thin ones in the base layer, rapid and uncomplicated adjustments can be made. In the case of a hollow back, the appropriate thick Trimmel slats lying to the right and left of the pressure point are replaced with thin ones. This causes the pelvis to sink lower, and the sacrum is then also supported. Wide shoulders may also lead to poor posture during sleep. This can be corrected by removing a thin Trimmel slat from the lower support directly under the shoulders. This reduces the pressure on the shoulder region. The spine is relieved and lies straight following the adjustment. Humans lose an average of 3 to 7 deciliters of moisture during sleep. This must be able to evaporate through the various layers of the bed. Only then does the bed feel warm and dry. If the moisture cannot be removed, sweating or freezing results, and sleep is considerably disturbed. The wool in a Hüsler-Nest is not worked into the mattress, but is separate. This allows it to regenerate from day to day and is easy to air and care for. The Hüsler-Nest is made only of natural materials that produce a positive effect on sleep and health. That is one of the reasons why sleeping in a Hüsler-Nest results in a relaxed and refreshing start to the day. Hüsler-Nest, the best for a healthy, revitalizing sleep.